not from a big failure, not from a hard hit. It started from a "this is fine for now," a safe sentence that slowly ate his future. He did not have a special problem. His life was not a disaster. But every night he went to sleep with a feeling that had no name, the feeling of falling behind. Every time a thought about change came, every time a dream lifted its head, reality said, "Now is not the time for trouble." Without knowing it, he made a deal. Safety instead of growth. A fixed salary instead of excitement. Peace today instead of life tomorrow. He told himself it was logical. He told himself he had grown up. But the truth was this: he was afraid to try and fail, because failure meant proving all the doubts he had about himself. Days passed, without pain, without memories, and the most dangerous part was that nothing was really bad. He smiled, he worked, he said everything is okay, but his life was playing on mute. He was not tired of work, not tired of people. He was tired of becoming every day a smaller version of himself. In the middle of a normal day, without an accident, without a warning, he understood he was not okay, because for a long time he had done nothing that scared him. He understood his problem was not failure. His problem was that to avoid losing, he never entered the game. Comfort was supposed to be a shelter, but it became a cage. A soft cage, without bars, but with a locked door called habit. He did not pay the price of failure, but he did pay the price of not being brave, with years that will never return, with energy that went out, with a voice inside him that slowly became quiet. This story is about a boy, but it looks strangely like your life, because you also learned to survive, not to live. Life did not ask him to be perfect. It only asked him to be brave, to move, to take risks, even if he falls. And this last truth made everything clear. When comfort takes the place of growth, it is no longer a blessing. It becomes the calmest way a person buries his own life.
If you enjoyed this story, subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. These stories help you grow your English skills and your mind. Subscribe and join us to make progress step by step. Stay tuned for more stories.